Gold is hitting new highs almost every week. So let's settle it. Gold versus the index. 20 years of real data, no hype. 4 honest answers in 2 minutes. The 20-year verdict, the rupee catch, why the time windows lie, and what you should actually do. So, is it too late to buy gold? Record after record this year. And the fear of missing out is real. But first, the full picture. Over 20 years, gold returned about 14% a year. The Nifty, around 9.5%. The boring metal quietly beat the index, not the story you were sold, but change the window and the winner flips. Over 3 years, gold races ahead. Around 10 years, and they trade places. One number is never the whole story. Same 10,000 a month for 20 years. In gold, about 1.32 crore. In the Nifty, about 87 lakh, a 45 lakh gap at these historical rates. But here's the catch. It wasn't just gold. Half that surge is the rupee weakening. And gold is priced in dollars, so a weak rupee simply flatters the number you see. And gold pays you nothing while you hold it. No dividend, no earnings. The Nifty is 1,000 companies growing profits. Gold stores wealth, equity builds it. So the grown-up answer isn't gold or equity. It's both. Keep about 10 to 15% in gold to soften the crashes, and let the rest compound. 3 things to remember. 1, windows lie, so ignore the 1-year headlines. 2, currency counts. Some of gold's shine is just a weak rupee. 3, you don't have to choose. Hold both and stay invested. That's money math, that's honest. No hype, just the numbers. New breakdown every week. Subscribe and run your own gold versus index math at utilra.com. Don't forget to subscribe, Utilra.